Hello friends, I'm Tamara from Tamara's Home Garden. In this video, I will be sharing with you some of the Feng Shui lucky plants that you can bring to your home from a nursery or from a friend of yours, which are really very positive energy attracting plants. So have these plants in your garden as house plants or as outdoor plants and decorate your garden for positive vibes. The first beautiful green foliage plant I show you is the Areca palm plant. Areca palm plant is a beautiful green leafy plant, ideal for your entrance, and also it suits for beautiful huge planters. You can't put them in small planters. This is a huge plant and it needs space to grow. So Areca palm is one of the plants that you must have in your plants collection. This is one of the Feng Shui plants. This provides positive energy, positive luck, and also attracts wealth, luck, and which attracts positive energy to your home. Next, easy to grow, low maintenance, permanent and a Feng Shui plant are these beautiful lucky bamboo plants. Lucky bamboo plants you can grow from stems, and also they are best house plants. You can keep them outdoors as well, keep them in a shady corner. These plants are said to attract positive vibes. So these are very lucky plants, and also when you keep them at your entrance or at your office table or in your home to decor your home, it gives a very attractive look. So you can have it in water also. You can propagate them in water, keep them in water for years, and simply keep them in water and grow them without any hassle, because these low care plants you can maintain them even without fertilizer. Give them a mist spray in the morning if you have kept them indoors as an indoor plant. Beautiful plants, fits into any planter, DIY planter, terracotta planter, or any planter. Very easy to grow and care. Next best plant to have at your entrance is this beautiful Chinese money tree. Easy to grow and care, and also this is also a low care plant which can grow by stems. So have this plant also at your home as a house plant. Better keep it in the shade. And also this is one of the plants that I recommend as an indoor plant. So this is one of the beautiful leafy plant. If you are a person who loves ornamental plants, this is another Feng Shui plant for your collection. Next beautiful plant for your house plant collection and one of the Feng Shui plant is the CZ plant. This is also a must-have plant for beginners because this is a low care plant, low maintenance, permanent plant. You can grow them from stems, ideal as an indoor plant. But if you have kept your plants indoors, friends, this tip is very helpful for you. Make sure to shift them outdoors at least once a week. Let it breathe, let it get some wind and also some sunlight from outdoor garden. So make sure to shift your indoor plants outdoors once in a while. So this plant also you don't have to water on regular basis. You can skip regular basis. Make sure not to overwater this plant. Check the first soil. The first inch of the soil has to be dried out. Normally watering once a week will be enough. This is also another Feng Shui plant. Rubber plant, another Feng Shui plant, low care and also permanent plant. You can grow them from just a single leaf cutting in water, in soil both, and this is also another house plant. This plant is ideal as a house plant. Do not keep it outdoors. Keep it in a shady corner or else partial to medium sunlight area. This is also another Feng Shui plant, lucky plant, which you must have at your entrance. Money plants, golden pothos and neon pothos, and many varieties of pothos plants. They are also Feng Shui lucky plants. These plants also add beauty and also enhance your garden. This is one of the best decorative plant which you can grow in small planters, and also one of the beautiful looking leafy plant. So you can add them in your home. This is another wonderful plant because this is beginner gardener's plant, low maintenance, low care and permanent plant. Once you bring one plant from a nursery definitely you will have many plants within a very short period of time. This is one of the Feng Shui lucky plants too, which you can keep at your entrance, outdoor garden, anywhere you like. But make sure to keep it in the shade and do not go to overwater. If you follow those two rules, you can simply multiply these plants in a short period. This is one of the beautiful indoor plants and also one of the best Feng Shui plants. We have the spider plant, and this is also one of the low maintenance, permanent and a shade loving plant. Have this plant also in your house plants collection because this is also said to bring good vibes, positive energy, and this is one of the luckiest plants. Not only that, when you keep them outdoors or indoors, this acts as a air purifier. So have this plant also in your garden. Aloe vera. Aloe vera also another best vastu plant and also a lucky plant. This plant is very beneficial in hair care and skin care. Not only that, this is a natural rooting hormone. Have this one plant in your plants collection because this is also another Feng Shui plant. Last but not the least, this is the snake plant. Here I have the Sansevieria also. These are also wealth attracting Feng Shui plants. They are believed to bring lots of positivity to your home, so why not having them at your entrance or as a desktop, or else you can keep it in your office. And also this is another shade loving permanent indoor plant.